What's up, YouTube? This is how to use the law of attraction, alright? I'm trying to teach you, I'm trying to show you. This is my gratitude journal. I took this book, oh, I have it. Hold on 1 second. Here, this one right here. I got it. I'm like a mad scientist. This one, I have this one. Woohoo. The Secret, the Power by Rhonda Byrne. And I got it from the library. So you know you can do this too for free. Well, you need a pen and a notebook, but. And this is, sorry, here we go. This is my own personal version of that, which I basically revised it into making it my own. So that way I can attract what I want in my life. So, this is how to use it, okay? Here. All those notebooks, these books here, is how you use the law of attraction, okay? Now I'm finally sharing it with you all. And if you see all my other previous videos, you gotta understand what's going on. So I hope you click through and I hope you take notes and I hope you get a lot of advice. Because there's a lot of people out there sharing the law of attraction, but I think I'm doing it a lot differently. And for the people who watch this video, it means a lot to me, you know? So yeah, this is the intro. Law of attraction. How to use it. The power. The intro. Anyways, when we continue, please. You're meant to have an amazing life. You're meant to have everything you love and desire. Your work is meant to be exciting, and you're meant to accomplish all the things in the world you love to accomplish. Your relationships with your family and friends are meant to be filled with happiness. You're meant to have all the money you need to fill and live a wonderful life. You're meant to be living your dreams, all of them. You want to travel, you're meant to travel. You would like to start a business, and you're meant to start a business. Your world, you would love to dance, or learn to dance, or sail a yacht, study Spanish. You're meant to do those things. If you would love to be a musician, a scientist, a business owner, or a mentor, a performer, a parent, a great person, or whatever it is you would love to be, you're meant to be it. When you wake up each day, you should be filled with excitement because you know the day is going to be filled with a lot of great things. You're meant to be laughing and full of joy. You're meant to feel strong and safe. You're meant to feel good and great about yourself because you're invaluable. Of course, there will be challenges because they help you grow. But you're meant to know. But you're meant to know how to overcome. You're meant to be victorious. You're meant to be happy. You're meant to have an amazing life. You're not born to struggle. You're not born to live a life where moments of joy are few and far between. You're not born to work a 9 to 5. You're not born to live with limited energy. You're not born to be worried. You're not born to suffer. You are meant to experience life to its fullest, and to have everything you want, and at the same time be filled with joy, health, vitality, excitement, and love, because that is an amazing life, the life of your dreams. Everything you would love to be, do, or have has always been closer to you, and you know. You are not born to suffer, and you are meant to experience life to its fullest and have everything you want, and at the same time be filled with joy, health, and vitality, and excitement and love, because that is an amazing life. The life of your dreams. Everything you would love, be, or to do, or have has always been closer to you than you ever have known, because the power to everything you want is inside of you. There is a supreme power and ruling force which pervades and rules the boundless universe, and you are part of this power. In this book, you will be shown, in this journal, in this book, you will be shown how to have an amazing life. You will discover something incredible about yourself, your life, and the universe. Life is so much easier than you think it is, and as you come to understand the life, the works, the power you have that is inside of you, you will experience the magic of life. If you've been following along, you know what I mean. You will experience the magic of life in its fullness, and then you will have an amazing life. Now let the magic of your life begin. What is the power? What is the law of attraction? What this power is, I have no say. All I know is that it exists. Life is simple. Your life is made up of only positive things. Each area of your life, health, money, relationships, work, happiness, is positive to you. You have plenty of money. You have plenty of money. You're bringing wealth. You're brimming with wealth and health. Your relationships are happy. Your relationships are happy. Your work is exciting and successful, and you are filled with happiness. And you have great years and great times and great days. You do deserve a life. You do deserve a life. And you deserve a life overflowing with good things. The power is the cause of everything good in life. Without exception, every person who has a great life used love to achieve it. The power to have all the positive and good things in life is love. Love has been talked about and written about since the beginning of time in every religion, and every great thinker and philosopher and prophet and leader knew this message into the world. It's still the same today. It's love. Because when you love, you're using the greatest power in the universe. The force of love. Love is the element which, through physically unseen, is as real as air on water. It is acting, living, moving force. It moves in waves and currents like those on the ocean. Those of the ocean. The kind of love that the greatest thinkers and saviors of the world talk about, love is very different. It's much more than loving your family, friends, or favorite things. Because love isn't just about feeling, because love is just not a feeling, it's a positive force. Love is not weak. Love is a positive force of life. Love is the cause of everything positive and good. Love is the only force of life. Nature's great powers like gravity and electromagnetism are invisible to our senses, but the power is indisputable. Likewise, the force of love is invisible to us, but its power is in fact far greater than any of the nature's powers. The evidence of this power can be seen everywhere in the world. Every single invention, discovery, and human creation came from the love of the human heart. Because of love, the Wright brothers, we can fly in a plane. Because of love, scientists, inventors, and discoverers, we have electricity and heating and light. And it enables us to drive a car, use a phone, and appliances and tech that makes life easier and more comfortable. Because of love, architects and buildings build homes and cities. Because of love, there are medicines, doctors, and because of love, there are medicines, doctors, and emergency facilities. Because of love, there are teachers, schools, and education, because of love, there are books, paintings, music. All of these things are created from the positive force of love. Take a look around you right now. Whatever you see is a human creation of love. Love is the force that moves you. Everything you want to be or do or have comes from love, with love. With love, there is a positive force. A positive force to propel you to get up in the morning, to work, play, dance, talk, learn, listen to music, do anything. It's the positive force that inspires you to move, gives you the desire to be or have anything. The positive force of love can create anything good, increase the good things, and change anything adverse in your life. You have the power over your health, your wealth, your career, your relationships, in every area of your life. And that power is love. It is inside of you. You have a choice. You have to harness the positive force. Every day, every moment of your life, you have been making this choice. Without exception, every single time you experience something good in your life, you have harnessed love and love's positive force. Love is the cause of all good things in your life. Love is the most powerful and still most unknown energy in the world. You are receiving the knowledge of the one and only power to all good things in life, and you will be able to use it to change your entire life. You now will understand exactly how it works. I'm going to stop here until the next video. Thank you all. Hope you're paying attention. Remember to stay tuned. And my name is Devin. And like and subscribe, right? That's what they all say. But thank you so much. Until next time, or until the next video, which I'm going to record right after this. But you all know that. But yeah, thanks.